Welcome to Chichén Itzá. It's one of Mexico's most impressive ancient sites. This UNESCO World Heritage site is a must-see. The ruins are located on the Yucatán Peninsula. Chichén Itzá was once a powerful Mayan city. It thrived from about 600 to 1200 AD. Today it offers a glimpse into a fascinating past. Get ready to explore towering pyramids and ancient temples. Chichén Itzá will leave you in awe. It's a testament to the ingenuity of the Maya people. Let's discover the wonders of this ancient city together. The Maya civilization was incredibly advanced. They were skilled astronomers and mathematicians. They developed a complex writing system, and their understanding of time was remarkable. The Maya had a sophisticated calendar system. It tracked cycles of time with incredible accuracy. They believed that understanding these cycles was crucial. It helped them live in harmony with the universe. Chichén Itzá reflects this deep connection to time. The structures are precisely aligned with celestial events. For example, El Castillo, the main pyramid, marks the equinoxes. The Maya legacy lives on at Chichén Itzá. Exploring the ruins connects us to their brilliance. It's a humbling experience to witness their achievements. Water was sacred to the Maya. It was more than just a necessity for survival. It was deeply intertwined with their spiritual beliefs and daily life. They believed it was a source of life, a gift from the gods that sustained their crops, quenched their thirst, and nourished their souls. Water was also seen as a portal to the underworld, a mystical realm where the spirits of their ancestors resided. The Maya held a profound respect for these natural water sources, often considering them sacred. Chichén Itzá's name reflects this belief. The city, one of the most significant archaeological sites in the world, was named to honor the sacred wells that were central to its existence. It translates to, "at the mouth of the well of the Itzá," highlighting the importance of these natural water sources to the Itzá people. The Itzá were a powerful Mayan group, known for their advanced knowledge in astronomy, architecture, and agriculture. They were the rulers of Chichén Itzá, and their influence extended far beyond the city. They controlled the region around Chichén Itzá, making it a thriving center of trade, culture, and religious activity. The city's strategic location and access to water sources were key to its prosperity. The city's name highlights the importance of the Sacred Cenotes, which were not only vital for survival but also held great spiritual significance. These natural sinkholes provided access to groundwater, ensuring a reliable water supply even during dry seasons. The cenotes were lifelines for the Maya, both physically and spiritually. The most famous cenote is the Sacred Cenote, a large, deep sinkhole that played a central role in the religious life of the Maya. The Maya used it for rituals and sacrifices, believing that offerings made here would appease the gods and ensure the continued flow of water and prosperity. Today it's a reminder of their beliefs and practices, a window into the spiritual world of the ancient Maya. Visitors to Chichén Itzá can still feel the reverence that surrounds this sacred site. Exploring Chichén Itzá, you'll sense the presence of water everywhere. The cenotes, wells, and water features are a constant reminder of the city's reliance on this precious resource. It's a constant reminder of its significance to the Maya people, who saw water as a divine gift and a vital part of their existence. The reverence for water is evident in their art, architecture, and rituals. It adds to the mystique of this ancient city, where every stone and every drop of water tells a story of a civilization that thrived in harmony with nature. The legacy of the Maya and their sacred wells continues to inspire and captivate us today. El Castillo is the most iconic structure at Chichén Itzá. This towering pyramid dominates the landscape. It's a testament to Mayan architectural genius. El Castillo is dedicated to Kukulkan. He is the feathered serpent deity. The pyramid's design reflects this important god. The pyramid has 365 steps. That's one for each day of the year. During the spring and fall equinoxes, something magical happens. A shadow resembling a serpent descends the pyramid. Climbing El Castillo is no longer permitted, but even from the ground it's an awe-inspiring sight. The pyramid's grandeur embodies the power of the ancient Maya. The Great Ball Court at Chichén Itzá is impressive, stretching over 545 feet in length and 225 feet in width. It stands as a monumental testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Maya civilization. It's the largest ball court in Mesoamerica, dwarfing all others in the region. This grand structure was not just a sports arena, but a sacred space where life and death intertwined. This is where the Maya played a ritualistic game known as pits. The game was deeply embedded in their culture and mythology, often reenacting the cosmic battle between the gods of life and death. The game was more than just sport, it was a ceremonial event that held profound religious and political significance. The outcome of the game could influence the fate of entire communities. It had religious and political significance. Two teams competed, often representing opposing forces such as day and night or life and death. The stakes were incredibly high. They used only their hips, elbows, and knees to hit a heavy rubber ball, which could weigh up to 9 pounds. The skill and physical prowess required were immense. The goal was to get the ball through a stone hoop mounted high on the court's walls. This was no easy feat, as the hoop was often placed 20 feet above the ground. The game was rough and could be deadly. Players risked severe injury, and the physical toll was immense. Yet the honor of playing in the Great Ball Court was unparalleled. The captain of the losing team might be sacrificed, a practice believed to appease the gods and ensure the continued prosperity of the community. This ultimate sacrifice underscored the game's gravity. The acoustics of the Great Ball Court are amazing. The design allows sound to travel clearly from one end to the other, a feature that likely enhanced the ceremonial aspects of the game. A whisper at one end can be heard clearly at the other, demonstrating the advanced understanding of acoustics by the Maya architects. This feature added to the court's mystical and awe-inspiring atmosphere. Imagine the roar of the crowd during a game. The energy and excitement would have been palpable as spectators watched not just a game, but a sacred ritual that connected them to the divine. The Temple of the Warriors is another must-see. This grand structure stands as a testament to the architectural prowess and the rich cultural heritage of the ancient Maya civilization. As you approach, the sheer scale and intricate details of the temple are bound to leave you in awe. This impressive structure is adorned with carvings. Each carving tells a story, a narrative etched in stone that has withstood the test of time. The artistry and craftsmanship are evident in every line and curve. They depict warriors and other important figures. These carvings are not just decorative, they serve as historical records, offering insights into the lives and beliefs of the Maya people. The warriors, with their detailed attire and weapons, reflect the martial culture and the importance of military prowess in Mayan society. The temple gets its name from the platform at its summit. This platform was likely used for important ceremonies and rituals, possibly even for the crowning of leaders or the offering of sacrifices to the gods. It's supported by carved figures of warriors. These figures are not just structural supports, they are symbolic guardians, standing watch over the temple and its sacred activities. These carvings are incredibly detailed. The precision and skill required to create such intricate designs are a testament to the advanced techniques and artistic sensibilities of the Maya artisans. They offer a glimpse into Mayan military life. The depictions of warriors, with their elaborate headdresses and weapons, provide valuable information about the military hierarchy and the types of armaments used during that era. The Temple of the Warriors is connected to the group of 1,000 columns. This connection highlights the architectural ingenuity of the Maya, creating a unified complex that served both ceremonial and practical purposes. These columns once supported a massive roof. Imagine the grandeur of walking through this covered walkway, the columns stretching out in perfect rows, creating a sense of order and majesty. Imagine the grandeur of this complex in its prime. The bustling activity, the vibrant ceremonies, and the imposing structures all contributing to a thriving center of culture and power. The Temple of the Warriors is a testament to the artistry of the Maya. As the sun sets, casting a golden hue over the carvings, one can almost feel the echoes of the past, the whispers of ancient rituals, and the presence of the warriors who once stood guard. It's a reminder of their power and sophistication. The Maya were not just builders, they were visionaries, creating structures that have endured for centuries and continue to inspire awe and admiration. It's a highlight of any visit to Chichén Itzá. As modern-day explorers walk among these ancient stones, they are connected to a rich tapestry of history, culture, and human achievement. The Temple of the Warriors stands as a bridge between the past and the present, inviting us to explore, learn, and marvel at the legacy of the Maya civilization. Section 7. Exploring Chichén Itzá. Practical tips. Chichén Itzá is easy to visit. It's about a 2.5-hour drive from Cancun. You can rent a car or take a bus. Guided tours are available. The best time to visit is early morning or late afternoon. It gets crowded during midday. The sun is also intense. Bring plenty of water, sunscreen, and a hat. Allow at least 4 hours to explore the site. There's a lot to see. Wear comfortable shoes. There's a lot of walking involved. Respect the site. Don't climb on the ruins. Take only photos and leave only footprints. Help preserve this incredible place for future generations. Section 8. Respecting history, preserving culture. When you visit Chichén Itzá, remember you're on sacred ground. Be respectful. Avoid touching the ruins. Follow the instructions of the guides. Learn about the Maya culture before you go. Read a book or watch a documentary. It will deepen your appreciation for the site. Support local communities. Buy souvenirs from local vendors. Stay in locally owned hotels. Your visit can help sustain the local economy. By being a responsible tourist, you contribute to the preservation of Chichén Itzá. You help ensure that future generations can experience its wonder. Chichén Itzá is more than just ruins. It's a journey through time. It's a chance to connect with a fascinating civilization. Explore the ancient city, marvel at the architectural wonders, imagine the lives of the people who once lived there. Chichén Itzá will stay with you long after you leave. It's a reminder of the power of human ingenuity. It's a